Hello guys, today we are setting up the groundworks for the FITHOUSE assembly tomorrow, and we're just trying to get everything in order so we can maximize the 2 hours that we have to assemble it tomorrow morning. And yeah, let's go. Bruh. Let's go, let's go! Tomorrow? 7. Us 7, but you can come at 8. 7:30. Yeah, sure. Okay, so we just finished unloading all our OSB panels for the construction tomorrow, construction of FITHOUSE. And yeah, it's moderately heavy, but I'm sure with the right mindset and willpower, you can do it as well. Test 1 2 test. Hello everyone, I'm Nick, and today I'm at the site of the first ever FITHOUSE test assembly here in Keio University SFC campus in Kanagawa, Japan. Today we will be disassembling the FITHOUSE prototype right behind me here, which we constructed just about a few days ago. So we built it on Saturday, and today's a Tuesday, so it's only been here for about 2-3 days. The purpose of the test assembly is, of course, to test and see if our design works, and also to record the assembly process so that we can share it with the public. And hopefully from that, we get some responses back from people who are willing to work with us to utilize this design system as a temporary shelter for disaster victims. So the entire assembly process took about 2.5 to 3 hours. So we started at around 8 a.m. in the morning and ended around 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., give or take rest times. Okay, so I'm actually quite early to the site today, and my teammate's probably going to take another 20 minutes to arrive. So what I think I can do is to walk you through the assembly process. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so like every other building construction process, we started off with the foundations first. So for this test assembly, we utilize a very quick and easy foundation system, which is using plastic beer crates that we found just right behind our studio. So we got about 18 of these plastic beer crates, and we laid them out in 3 rows, so 6 each. Some of these crates have sandbags in them to weigh the structure down, and we filled the sandbags with soil from around the garden near the lab. So after we got the base done, we laid out the floor panels, and for this design system, we have 3 panels on each face, so there will be 2 joints in between. So that's why the plastic crates are laid out perpendicular to the longitudinal side of the panels. You can see that the panels are running this way, whilst the beer crates are running the other direction so that it can support the joint connection in between the two panels here. So after we laid out the floor panels, we put the wall panels on one by one. And we had some people supporting the panels on the outside, but we didn't have any issues of the panels falling over because the interlocking joints around the edges of the panels were actually cut very precisely. So they interlock each other pretty well and they were pretty tight, so we didn't have any issues of them falling over. So before putting the final two panels of the walls, we put up the panels for the roof. So we put up two panels for the roof to, lock two of the corners. And then the last panel for the roof, we put above the two other roof panels. And then we finished the other two wall panels. And then we climbed onto the roof to, slot in the final roof panel, and then it's done. And after installing all the panels, we used the blue color ratchet belts to secure all the panels together. So we have two of them running horizontally and two of them running vertically, and that was enough to secure the entire structure. So the final component of this structure is the roofing system, and we just utilize a very simple tarp membrane to cover the roof surface to prevent water from going into the interiors. And to create a slope for the roof, we use these extra foam panels that were given to us by the manufacturers. And we place these panels running the parallel to the door so we can create a ridge in the middle, and so that we can pull the tarp on both sides and create the slope, sloping the other direction so the water doesn't fall towards the door or the window behind. And then we secure the tarp with Velcro tapes on both sides. But for the front and back, we just slot the membrane behind the ratchet belts to tie them together. And yeah, there you go. That's the entire assembly process in a nutshell. And yeah, we're just about to start the disassembly process. And we'll see you later. Hey, Shun. So we're gonna take down the membrane first. Then, do you want to keep the belts on and take down the roof panels first? How do you want to take down the roof panels? We gotta think about it first before we do it. How do you think we should take it down?
Take off the belt and then take one of the walls and then the roof, like the one we did, the reverse.
So the same plan.
Yeah.
Because I'm just worried that we take off the belts and we take off the roof, it'll fall.
Maybe just these two.
These two, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nozomi, you got gloves? Oh. Do you have gloves? Here.
That's it.
Hello. Right now we're beginning the disassembly process. We have already taken out the roof membrane, and now we're going to try and take off the roof panels first and keep the belts on just in case the wall panels fall off.
Yeah, it's just fine.
Nozomi, don't stay here. We're going to take this one.
Nozomi, yeah?
We're going to take off this roof first, yeah?
のぞみさん、そこ誰かもう一人います。いります。
もう一人ぐらい。
もう一人屋根いります。
普通屋根。
OK。
いい？
どういうことじゃねえのよ。
ノックノック。
ノックノック。
もう外していい？
はい。
あんとのぞみいない？
ここに
スペシャルマイク。いらない。I can't speak
There's no fan here. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, boy! 1, 2, 3.
One more time! One more time!
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Let's go!
多分開く。
Okay. I'll hold it. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer.
あ、ラスト、ラスト。
Hammer.
こっち、こっち。
Hold up. Slide it there.
こっちもう聞いて聞いて。
こっちが外れてないっす。
Okay, fingers.
あ、オッケー、来た。
Fingers.
引いて、てこの原理でやればいいよ。いや、こっちが取れてないから。オッケー。
Oh my god. Let's go. Woo. No. You know what I'm thinking? You're saying you want to take the wall down, then you want to bring this. I'm saying we slide it, and two-person with the ladder hold. Right? We successfully took off
Thank you.
one of the roof panels. It was tough because it was pretty tight. Yeah, now we're gonna proceed and try and slide off. Anzu, let's go.
これうん。이거 여기. 네.
Wait. Let me go down. そういうき、こちら、どうぞ。Okay, 2 here, holding it, then the rest.
あんずちょっとね、あんずだね、こっち目に下ろしたいわ。
あー、オーライ。ここぐらいもうちょっと先ですかゆっくり、せーの。
ここは。
Hold on. I feel like it's gonna come onto here. So, wait. Chill.
ちょっと待って。ガスこれバーンと落ちそうだけどな、そっち。
いや、バーンってやらないように頑張るんで。やらないように頑張る。
Hold it, yeah?
あれだね、サマーランドのバケツみたいなね。頭。
Slowly. Okay.
縦に結構壁に沿わせて落とした方がいいかなと思った。
あ、そうしようか。
Right. Okay. Slow.
いや、まだ結構重心かかって。あ、大丈夫よ。
いいよ。
Go. Slowly. Go. Yeah.
Yeah! We did it! Woo!
あれだ。
Someone in the middle. All right. Let's do this, please.
サマーウォーズの時の変身音とめっちゃアバターが進化するし。
You ready?
OK。
1, 2, 3. Ah!
ハンズが。
回せ。
Turn.
待って。
We'll turn.
どっちにいる？こっち行ってこっち。
Turn.
やばい、こっちやばいって、重心もうちょいそっちやってください、重心。全員死ぬって、あ、頭やばい、違う、そうじゃなくて、
ぐるっとね。
じゃあこっち、もうちょっとこっち。そっちじゃない、こっち。アンズの足場をなくしてほしいんです。じゃあ危ないんだってこれ。
大丈夫よ。
あ、もう大丈夫。あ、OK。
Okay. Chill. Okay. Yeah. Okay, nice. Alright, now we're gonna begin taking down the wall panels. And actually we're splitting the group up into half, so some people are gonna paint the walls with some waterproofing coating, and the rest of us gonna attempt to take down the wall panels. Oh, cool. Okay. Alright. Okay. いいよ。So just pull it. Okay. 待って。もういいよ。で、これで上げちゃおう。で、外出しちゃう。オッケー、そこ行こう。もうそいつ外そう。上。いいよ。オッケー、アップ。危ねえ、これ。 You know what I feel like doing?
What?
Whoa. It would have been way easier.
I guess do the roof first and then walls, I guess.
So we need to take the roof down.
Yeah, if we take the walls and roof fall down, it's dangerous.
Yeah, so we need the ladders
Yeah.
to here. So and we bring it down here. Right? Push. I will turn here. Then this side go to Alicia.
Okay.
Okay? And I will walk down.
Ayo.
Feel like Superman. Or like the Captain America in Marvel when his the helicopter scene maybe.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Or Aquaman with the submarine. Okay.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, stop.
Okay. Turn. Push there. Pull in. Go. 顺. Pull there. Yeah, pull. Yes. Nice. Hold the wall. Okay. Push.
何楽しんでんねん。待って。どうすんのここから。
Pull there. More. Okay. Hold it, Eito. Okay. Hold this side.
やばい、目が。
Relax. Let it slowly fall. Slowly.
ああ。
Okay. Relax. Yeah. Move the ladder. Okay. We're gonna push it slowly against the wall.
Wait. We need to lift it.
Do we?
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Wait.
Fingers.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah. Right.
休憩しよ
We finished taking all the panels down already, and right now we're just gonna bring it over there to the studio to paint it with some waterproofing coating. And we're just
1
gonna go
hour
have lunch
rest.
first, and then come back and take away the crates. So yeah, see you all later. All right, that just about concludes the disassembly process for the fit house, and everybody's just about to head home. So we've been here since the morning, and Kai, can you help me out here? Anyways, the disassembly process for the fit house was rather successful. I would say we actually took much less time to take it down than to put it up. It was much easier to take the panels down actually. So we took about 2 hours, and the rest of the time was just moving the panels. Anyways, yeah, the rest of the times was just moving the panels and painting and all that stuff. So yeah, we look forward to the next fit house project. Yeah, we'll just end with the video with some comments from the rest of the group members, starting with Shi.
We are very tired. We work from 10 in the morning.
Yeah.
何
Include the FITHOUSE
To
project.
conclude the FITHOUSE?
Yeah. Just
Well,
Feedback, comments.
we still have things to do though.
you don't have to know.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's taking a while.
Okay, I guess I'll say something.
Yeah.
I wasn't really involved in it. Watching everyone work on it from morning to night for the past couple of days, I think. Or no, Saturday and today, right? Definitely looked like a very much tough process, but I think it's been a great learning experience for all.
Huh? Hello. Goodbye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Nick vs. Wild.
I think that's fun.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Just contact us if you are interested in fundraising.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully, the word gets out of our design system, and we would be able to work with potential clients in the future and utilize it for temporary shelter for disaster victims.
Oh yeah, so to do that, we need money, and so please donate to our GoFundMe
And we need views.
or Venmo works. But yeah,
Go fund.
all right,
Anyways, thanks for watching.
bye bye.
Bye.